When it comes to installing roof blinds, you might be wondering whether to tackle it yourself or hire a professional. Many customers have shared their experiences and the feedback is quite valuable. First off, DIY installation can be a rewarding experience, allowing you to save around £150 in labour costs. However, it's important to follow instructions carefully. Key steps include measuring accurately, ensuring you have all the necessary tools, and watching for any specific fitting requirements based on your blind model. Expert tip: always double check your measurements before cutting materials to avoid costly mistakes. A common pitfall is overlooking the need for adequate clearance for the blinds to operate smoothly. On the other hand, a professional installation guarantees precision and often comes with a warranty. If you feel overwhelmed, don't hesitate to reach out for help. For further guidance, visit our website or contact us for assistance. Your perfect roof blind is within reach.